Traders, I'm looking at the euro dollar. I'm going to work my way down. I'm on a monthly time frame. If we grab Fibonacci from high to low, this is pulled back in to a 61.8 Fibonacci. It's now meandering around the 50%. So bearish here with a retrace, and wondering if we see more downside. Actually, we've had quite a strong rally, but is it sustainable? That's the question. Now, we do have data coming out later today. Well, I think we've got Euro PMI, and I know there's some it's a big day with data at the moment. We've got quite a lot going on, so just be careful. We should see a fair bit of volatility in the markets. So in saying that, I'm going to be looking for higher time frame opportunities, maybe intraday swing trade, and look to avoid the volatility by trading on a higher time frame. So looking at this one on the weekly time frame, yeah, it's been trending up, but again, like the bigger picture, if we take this swing high, swing low, we've got this break of market structure here on the weekly, okay, and then quite a big pullback. So I'm just wondering now whether this finds its feet and we see it roll over. See, it's trading into a big level here. If you go back, you'll see, okay, these lows, these highs, this high, these lows, these okay, so you can see that this is a big level on this time frame. We'll just mark that as a weekly point of interest. Let's have a look at this on the daily, see if we can get our bearings. Okay, so the lower time frame, again, we have, yeah, look, this breaker structure here on the daily, these lows taken out, and if we grab a diagonal, we can pull that through this these lows. Okay, so we broke this trend through here, break of market structure here, retrace. Now, if we grab a Fibonacci, again, looking at this from the daily point of view, well, have a look at this here. We've got these lower highs, lower lows. Where do you want to pull that? Okay, lower highs, lower lows. So definitely bearish momentum with quite a strong pullback, and that's due to the rates. US Fed keeping the rates on hold has caused weakness in the dollar. We've seen the stock markets rally, and I think everything's fairly overextended at the moment now. We've had a big move with the US dollar tanking, and and similar to this is rallying. So my question is, given that this is now trading into, see this green candle? Okay, so this is a bearish order block on the daily time frame. Let's just have a look and see on the weekly in terms of a big level like this. All right, we've got this green candle back in here on the weekly, bearish order block prior to this sell, weekly time frame. Big resistance 1W. We could even narrow it down to the body, candle body, high and low, something like that. Okay, so we've got this nested level here of resistance, distribution level on the weekly and the daily time frame. So back down to the daily, I'm wondering whether this rolls over here and we see it sell. So I think I'd be looking for a short, to be honest, off this level here. I wouldn't be buying up here. I think this trades south, looking for, and I don't know whether it finds support maybe down in here and we get a rebound off that, right? But I'm thinking a sell at this level could be worthwhile. The thing to wait or to watch out for would be on the lower time frame, so a 30-minute, 15-minute chart. See, we've got this imbalance, okay, thin candle here. It could look to trade through that, looking to rebalance around these lows. Now, thing to watch out for with this, I won't be looking to buy at this level, but the way to get involved would be mark this range. See, now it's ranging sideways. Let's go down to a 15M, and I'd be looking for a sell if we see something like this. I want to see it hit the stops above this range, come back and retest that. All right, so we could get a bit of a fake out down here, and then just watch out for the rebound when they attack stops above here. See, this range is going to be a ton of stops. There'll be a lot of traders short at the moment, given that this is overextended. So you probably want to wait till they hit that, and then your entry point could be, as this, well, there's a range. We'll just grab that. Trades back to retest. Okay, so that would be my entry short right here, something like that. Okay, so I'm looking for the breakout below, retest, and fail. And what you want to wait for would be on this time frame. I mean, you see it ranging sideways, but then you want to start to see it giving us lower highs, lower lows, and setting up a trend. Hope that makes sense. All right, so that's my take on the euro dollar at the moment, guys. If this fails to set up, then I would stay out of it. I won't be buying at this level. Okay, leave a comment. Love to hear your thoughts. Click the links below. Check out my link tree and it'll take you to my website. We've got indicators and VIP, free 30-day trial, everything. Okay, with that, hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.